This niche could potentially elevate your TikTok account and YouTube channel to the next level. On YouTube, this channel, which started just 1 month ago, has posted only 19 videos but already has several videos with almost 1 million views and currently boasts over 7,000 subscribers. Another channel in the same niche, started a month ago, has uploaded 65 videos with over 1 million views and has already garnered over 19K subscribers. These channels are generating thousands of dollars every month. The amazing part is that these types of videos can be created in just 10 minutes. So let's take a look at these types of videos.
You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength.
These videos are motivational and inspirational, based on ancient Greek and Roman Stoic philosophy. In this video, I will show you how you can create these types of videos in minutes. So let's start by searching for the Stoic statue image. I prefer using Leonardo AI. Leonardo is basically an AI image designer that converts any prompt into your generative ideas. Basically, it is an alternative to AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Adobe Firefly, and more like that. So, let's start by accessing Leonardo. Go to Leonardo.ai. The link is in the description. Once you're on the website, click on the Create Account button and then create your account. Now, once you've created your account, click on the Image Generator button at the top. This will redirect you to another page where we will add our prompt to design the statue. Once you're here, enter this prompt in this prompt field. You will find this prompt in this video description. Then click on the Generate button. After a short processing, this will create stunning AI images that will blow your mind. Choose your desired image and click on the Upscale button. This will increase the size of the image and you can download it in higher quality. Once the image is upscaled, click on the Download button to download it. You can simply change this prompt according to your desired images you want to generate. Moreover, you can adjust the ratio of the images in which you wish to generate, like 9:16 for your ratio. Now we have successfully created our images from Leonardo. The next step is to remove the background of these images, so simply visit remove.eg on your web browser and hit enter. Here, click on the Upload Image button and choose your desired image from your computer. This process may take a short time, and there you have it. The image background has been successfully removed. Simply click on the Download button to download the image. Now repeat this process to remove the background of all the images. Once you've removed the background, the next step is to find royalty-free content for our video. You can use Pexels.com or Pixabay.com for royalty-free images and videos. For the background, we first need to add a cinematic background. In the search bar, type Mountains Thunderstorm. You can find many royalty-free pictures and videos. Click on the Videos button. Take a moment to find the best one for the background. Once you find the best video, click on the Download button. Now we need to add the pillar's background image. Search for Roman pillars and hit enter. Simply select any image from the search results and download it. If you want to use the image that I used in this video, you will find the link in the description. Also, we need to download some smoke background videos. So in the search bar, type Fire. Then choose any smoke or fire video. Don't look at the colors of this video, as we will change this video into black and white while editing. Download the video and you're done. Now, let's proceed to the next step, writing the script and voiceover. To write the script, you can visit ChatGPT or Google Gemini. I am inclined towards using Google Gemini due to its greater stability in understanding your requirements and executing the task. To access Gemini, simply visit gemini.google.com via your web browser. The link is provided in the description. Here, input a prompt to generate quotations on Stoicism. For instance, you can use the prompt, write 12 quotes on Stoicism. If you need to generate a script for longer videos, tailor your prompt accordingly. Once you've utilized Gemini, you'll observe that it has effectively generated content for our videos. Now let's proceed to our next point, voiceover. For our Stoics video, we require a profound AI voiceover, which you can likely find on ElevenLabs. Begin by visiting ElevenLabs and creating your account. Then click on the Add Voice button. From there, select the Add Generative or Cloned Voice option. Then click on Voice Library. This will redirect you to the next page, where you can explore thousands of AI voiceovers featuring different characters. Search for the Marcus voice. Here you will find the exact voice that is used in these types of videos.
Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love.
Once you've located the Marcus voiceover, click on Add to Voice Lab. Then click on Add Voice button. Now this voice is successfully added to character voices. Go back to the ElevenLabs, and in the character, choose Marcus VoiceOver. Then, in the text box, paste the script that has been generated by the Gemini. Finally, click on the Generate button, and you're done. ElevenLabs have successfully changed our script into a voiceover.
You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength.
Click on the Download button to download it. Moreover, ElevenLabs provide 20 minutes of voiceover for free. So if you want to use it for long videos, you will need to purchase the subscription plan. Now let's move toward our final part, editing. Open any video editing software. I suggest using CapCut. CapCut is free and easy to use software, even for beginners, so you can use it easily. Open CapCut on your PC. Next, click on the Create New Project button. Once you're in CapCut, click on the Import button. Then, choose all the media that we have recently created. Once you've selected the media, click on the Open button. Now first, I'm adding the voiceover to the timeline. Then, select any image of the statue and drag it to the timeline. Next, we will create tracks for these videos. In the background track, we will add the sky video, and in the middle track, we will add the Roman pillars picture. So drag the content and adjust it on the timeline accordingly. Next, trim the duration of these pictures to a specific duration. Now, to make it look more realistic, you can decrease the opacity of the Roman pillars. Select the track, and in the right panel, you will find the Blend section. Here, decrease the opacity to a specific limit. This will fade the picture and adjust it in the background. Note, if you want to make it a short format, you can simply click on the ratio button and adjust the size of the canvas to 9:16. Now let's move towards the main part of editing, which is keyframing. Select the background video and scale up the video to the desired canvas size. Next, add a keyframe next to the position, while your playhead should be at the start of the video. Now, move the playhead to the end of the video. Then change the Y position to, for example, 150. This position can vary depending on the size of each video. Next, select the Roman pillars track. You can adjust the scale of the picture, whether it's larger or smaller on the canvas. Add a keyframe to the position. Then, move the playhead to the end of the video. Next, change the position to the right side. Now, you can preview this video.
You have power over your mind, not outside events.
Now, to make the background more realistic, we need to add a blur effect. Click on the Effects option from the top menu bar. Then search for the blur effect. Once you find it, click and drag it to the picture of the Roman pillars. From the right side panel, adjust the opacity of the blur. You can also add the blur effect to the background video. Once you've added the blur effect, select all three tracks, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This will merge all three tracks into one. Now we need to add a zoom effect to this compound track. Click on the keyframe next to the scale. Move the playhead to the end of the video, then increase the scale of the video. Now you can preview the video.
You have power over your mind, not outside events.
Next, click and drag the content of the second clip. Adjust the fire video behind the character. To change the fire video to white, select the video track. Click on the Adjustment option from the right side panel, scroll down, and decrease the saturation of the video. To adjust the speed of the background video, move the video play to a small part of the clip. Then click on the Split button to cut it. Select the second part and delete it. Click on the Speed option from the right side panel, then decrease the speed of the clip. Add keyframes to this clip to match it with the first one. To adjust it with the first clip, we need to add a fade transition. So, click on the Transition option from the top menu. Then choose Black Fade Transition and drag it between the clips. Simply adjust the duration of the transition to make it smooth. Now, if you want to change the colorized look of the character to black and white, simply click on the Adjustment option from the right panel. Then, decrease the saturation of the clip. Now, our video is ready. To export the video, simply click on the Export button in the top right corner. Next, choose the video format, and finally, click on the Export button. The final thing that we need is to generate captions for this video. To generate captions, I suggest using Submagic because it offers some amazing features and styles for video captions, whether it's in short format or long format. So, Visit the Submagic website and create your account. The link is in the description. Then, click on the Create button. Choose the video from your computer. Once you have selected your video, click on the Upload button. On the left side, you will find the Themes section, where you can explore many caption styles. To add captions, simply select any theme, and this will automatically generate captions for your video. If you want to edit the styles of the captions, simply click on the Edit Theme button. Here, you can customize the caption style. To export videos, simply click on the Export button at the top. And there you have it. You have successfully learned about creating Stoic videos for growing your TikTok account and YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you for watching.